Burling is one of those companies that will get you through and get you the orders. Their service is good. Their product is excellent. Their deliveries far excel the competitors. And even with the supply chain issues, they're still doing great. Hi, my name is Bill, and I'm the owner of Partner Controls, and we're a distributor for Proportion Air and Burling regulators. I go back with Burling long before Proportion Air bought Burling. This goes all the way back probably 25 years. So before it was Burling, it was K. McDonald, and then a fellow named Bruce Freed spun that off, and it became Burling from the old K. McDonald days. So I have followed several transitions in ownership of Burling, the latest being Proportion Air, and by far the best. What we're left with are the difficult projects, and this is where we shine. But when you do that, you have to get it right. And so it takes a partnership with the inside people. And when I mention this, I mention people like Michael Boggs, Hammond Willie, and both of those guys are out of Port Arthur, Texas. And Jeremy Carpenter is the manufacturing manager up in McCordsville. Without direct help from these people, this wouldn't work. Yeah, let me put it this way. We had a very large order 2 years ago, and a lot of back pressure regulators. We were in conference calls with the customer, and we got the order. And this compliment goes back to Michael on this one. And then there's been some where we try. I mean, it just didn't work. And together we got to pull the plug, we got to get out of it. And again, back to Michael. I've had cases where we talk it through. Can we do this? And how do we do it? And these guys come through. And they're quick to get the quotes back to me. They're quick to answer questions. And I put my input, and they say yay or nay, or they agree or disagree. And together we come up with a plan to provide the product to the customer. Yes, I would recommend it to a business similar to this in the distribution business.